Hi, my name is Jack, and this is
Joe. This is our 91 240SX.
V2 Rocket Bunny wide body kit. Front bumper, the over fenders on the front and rear, and the side skirts. Homemade splitter that goes all the way back. And then I have JDM tail lights. It makes roughly about 300 horsepower. Tuned by Nismotronic. The turbo's a 2871R. A Mishimoto X-Line radiator. It's a HKS blow-off valve. Radiator fans are ISR. We have BC coilovers. I have some TE37s. The front is 18 by 9. The rear is 18 by 10.5. I did a 5-lug swap on the whole car. Bride seats, Takata harnesses, power by max shifter. We have a fire extinguisher. It was from the Boring Company.
To see more cars like this, go to wheelwell.com.